Hello everyone and welcome to my first video on programming a bot in discord.py. Today, we're going to learn together how to create the mute command. My goal for today is to create a command that cannot be bypassed and to teach you how to do it. I hope this tutorial will help you, so please stay until the end of the video. Let's import the necessary things for this command. The import statement in Python is used to bring in modules or packages into your current script. The provided code snippet defines a class named moderation that is a subclass of commands, cog. It has an __init___ method that initializes the class with the bot attribute. Additionally, there is an asynchronous function setup, bot, that adds the moderation cog to the Discord bot. This Python code implements a mute command for a Discord bot using discord.py. The command requires the manage_roles permission. It mutes a specified member by assigning them a role named muted if it exists in the server. If the role doesn't exist, it informs the user. The code reads a JSON file, muted_users.json, to maintain a dictionary of muted users for each guild. It checks if the member is already muted for that guild. If not, it adds the member's ID to the guild's muted users list in the JSON file, assigns the muted role to the member, and sends a confirmation message. If the member is already muted, it notifies that the member is already muted. This code snippet showcases how to implement a basic mute functionality in a Discord bot using discord.py, managing roles, and storing data in a JSON file for tracking muted users. This code snippet is an event listener in a Discord bot built with discord.py. It triggers when a new member joins a server. The bot reads a JSON file named muted_users.json to check if the new member is muted in the guild. If the member is muted, it retrieves the muted role from the server and assigns it to the new member. The code efficiently handles muted users by automatically applying the appropriate role upon joining the server, ensuring that muted users are managed effectively within the Discord community. The code snippet demonstrates an event listener in a Discord bot using discord.py. Specifically, the on_guild_remove function is triggered when the bot is removed from a guild server. Upon removal, the bot retrieves the ID of the guild and reads a JSON file named muted_users.json to load a dictionary of muted users for various guilds. If the ID of the removed guild exists in the loaded dictionary, the bot deletes the entry corresponding to that guild ID from the dictionary. Finally, the updated dictionary is saved back to the muted_users.json file. This code snippet manages the removal of muted users' data when the bot is removed from a guild, ensuring data consistency and cleanup. The unmute command in the code snippet allows a Discord bot, with appropriate permissions, to unmute a member by removing the muted role from them. Here's a breakdown of the code. It checks if the invoking user has the necessary role permissions, manage_roles equals true. Retrieves the muted role from the server. Verifies if the member to be unmuted currently has the muted role. If the member is muted, the code removes the role, updates the JSON file storing muted users, and sends a success message. If the member is not muted, it sends a corresponding message. This code snippet demonstrates the functionality of unmuting users in a Discord server using discord.py. Let's see final result of this code. Thank you for watching. If you have any problems, feel free to contact me in the comments.